Okay, so I am going to attempt to make a coffee bar sign for my sister who just ordered an Amazon little cart for her kitchen, which I'm gonna help her build tomorrow. I'm gonna try and get this sign done for her today so I can take it with me tomorrow and leave it hanging. The little table that she bought is gonna be her coffee station. So I am going to be making a coffee sign with Dollar Tree items, and these are some of the things I'm going to use, and I'll bring out more as I go along. So I hope that you'll join me for this DIY. And I'm gonna paint them in white. First, I'm going to remove the little hanging tag from the side of this one because it's not going to be hanging that way. So this one is already a light color, but I might brush some white paint over it. And this one, I am going to probably glue this way. So I'm just gonna paint the top part of it. So I think I'm just gonna pour the paint over it instead of using a plate. And I'm gonna start. I probably will have to do a few coats to cover this black color. And I'm sorry, I failed to say that this white paint that I'm using is from Apple Barrel, and it is the Snow White. Okay, so I am gonna have to let this dry before I go ahead and give it another coat. Meanwhile, I'm just going to paint this one a little. Okay, so I finished painting the two boards and I'm letting them dry. I had bought these little towel sets. It says everything's better with coffee, to take it to my sister as a little gift. I also bought her this, and I started cutting out this part before I remembered that I was making a video. I'm coming back to finish cutting it because I'm gonna try to use this part. I think I can use this part that says everything gets better with coffee. And then she'll have the little towel to match. I also have these cute farmhouse signs that I purchased at Dollar Tree a while ago, and I think I might use these. I want to make sure I center this because I want to glue this piece to this piece. I thought maybe I could use these instead of printing them from my Cricut. A lot of not knowing yet what I'm going to do, but I'm going to have to, since I do want to use this here to finish, it just looks more finished off. Then I'm gonna have to cut another piece, but I'm going to have to cut another piece to unite it to that one and cut it here. It will give it a nicer finish, and then I'll just paint it white. Okay, so I did cut the dowel. By the way, I don't know if I mentioned it, but I got these at Dollar Tree as well. So I did cut this, and all I used, you guys, is this serrated knife, which I usually use for things like this. They're really easy to cut. Let's get this together first, and then I will worry about the decor aspect of this. I want to hold it there and start adding a lot of hot glue. Okay, so let me go ahead and try to center this as best as I can. I'm gonna have to hold it down really as straight as I can. So I'm going to glue that there. It certainly does give it a nicer finish. always like to give things a finished look, so. I'll show you close up. Now you cannot even tell that it was cut there. So I'm going to paint the wooden dowel now. Okay, you guys, so I made this little sign with my Cricut, and it says Coffee and Friends, the best blend. So, I don't know, I'm thinking I'm gonna put it right here. And then here I'm gonna put coffee time, and I have these little, what do you call it? Stamping things that are coffee beans. I think I'm just gonna put a lot of coffee beans all around there. Okay, so I have it on the transfer tape. And now I've got to rub it onto this board. And okay, it says Coffee and Friends, the best blend. Now, I think I'm going to use these big letters to put coffee time. I want to get them where I want them first, obviously, before I glue them down. Okay guys, so I have some brown paint here. I've already put the letters down, and I Mod Podged the material on here that says everything gets better with coffee. Now I've got these little coffee beans that I'm going to stamp all over here, and then I'm gonna Mod Podge. I still have to hot glue these two gather signs down too. So I want to paint the paint on here because I don't want it to be a mess when I stamp it. I hope it doesn't ruin. Here we go, guys. Some little coffee beans. Oh, they're so cute. Little coffee beans all over. I like them. So now I'm going to hot glue the gather signs next to the mug. Remember, I still have to Mod Podge the whole thing. Okay, so I have Mod Podged the whole top of the board. And now, as soon as it dries, I'll show you what it looks like. Okay guys, and tell me what you think. I think this is so cheerful. I just love it with all those little coffee beans all over the place, and the Coffee and Friends, the best blend. I just think that piece of material from the oven mitt gave it a really cheerful look. Here's the little cart that I built for my sister, and here it is, all completed. She absolutely loved it. I think it turned out really nice. Her coffee bar with all the delicious things to add to your coffee. I had a lot of fun making it. I hope that you enjoyed it, and as always, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thanks for your support, and take care. Bye now.